Welcome back, my dear students. So now in this video, we're going to be going ahead and we will be working up with our single product page design. Now, if you go ahead and you take a look at any of the product, like let's suppose this is the product. Now you can see this is how this particular product is looking. Now, if you are getting to see the sidebar, then I would recommend you going up to the customize right here. And once you are in the customizer, then what you need to do is to go into the sidebar and make sure that you set the default layout to have no sidebar at all. And what this will do is that this will make sure that every of your page does not contain the sidebar. Only those particular pages will have the sidebar that you will tell the WordPress to apply the sidebar. Now this is the single product. Now if you want to add a sidebar onto your single products, you can go ahead and you can do that. I would highly recommend you to keep your single product without any sidebar. That is going to get you more sales. Otherwise, it's totally up to you. If you want to use the sidebar on your particular project, you can go ahead and you can do that. If you want to add a sidebar, you can go ahead and you can use the right sidebar. Now, on the e-commerce website, there are not that much use the left sidebar, so you should not be using the left sidebar. On the left panel, you should only be showing your product. On the right side, you should be showing the sidebar. Now let's take a look at the sidebar, like what type of things you can add in a sidebar in a single product page. So if you go into the widgets right now, it will automatically detect like which type of sidebar is being shown on this page. And here it says the product sidebar. Make sure that you are on a single product page. If you are on a shop page, if you basically go to the shop page right here, it will be turned to WooCommerce sidebar. And now if you will click on any of the products, you will be taken to that particular product. Now you can see that we are getting the product sidebar. And you can click on it, and now you can start adding some of the stuff. So the stuff that you can add onto this particular product sidebar can be the product list. And in this particular product list, you can market some other highest selling products by just or you can go ahead and you can just select on sale products, or you can go ahead and you can just market those particular products that are getting most of the sales. And you can go ahead and you can select that, and then you can just add it to be like you may also like. And you can show a number of products right here. And similarly, you can go to the browse all and you can take a look at like what you want to add, and you can design it accordingly. However, I would recommend you not to use the sidebar at all when you are using a single product template. Your single product page should only contain information about your product. Right down below, you can add there are the related products, but that is enough. There's nothing you should be adding more than that in here. So I would highly recommend you to go back, go into the sidebar, and make sure that this is actually set to no sidebar, because we do not want to be adding the sidebar on our single product page. And our single product page should be like this. It should contain information only about your particular website. Now let's suppose that if you want to change some things over here, then you can go into the styling right here, and this is right here, it says single product, and you can go ahead and you can disable the breadcrumb. Now this is actually a breadcrumb. If I just check this, you will see that this will be gone from right here, and here no breadcrumb is here. I would highly recommend you to show your breadcrumb, because that is good thing in terms of SEO as well. That is a search engine optimization. If you are using the breadcrumb, it is basically going to increase your particular search engine optimization functionality. Similarly, if you want to go ahead and you want to change your button styling, like let's suppose that I just go ahead and I just choose it. Now, if you want to go ahead and you want to change it, you can go into the global settings, and then you can go into the button, and you can change your text color, or you can change your background color. So let's suppose that you want to change your background color to red, and now you just go ahead and you hit publish. And now if you will go ahead and you will visit your particular website, you can see that this is actually changed to red. And when we go to our particular product right here, this is also changed to red. So you can decide like whether you want to, which color you want to use. And similarly, you can select the hover color, like on hover, what should be done. And you can see like everything we are getting here is right here, and it is done like that. So what I would suggest is to go ahead and do it like that and uncheck this. And just like, since I am actually using the blue color combination, so now I want to show you one thing. Let's just go ahead and let's click cross on it. And now let's go on to our cart page. Now if you will click view cart over here, now you will see that this particular cart page is actually getting the on sale products and your recently viewed tab. Now, what I would highly recommend you is to make sure that your cart page is actually in a full single width. All right, there should be nothing coming. So how do you configure that? Go into your edit page over here, and what you need to do is to click on edit page right here. Now once you are in here, what you need to do is to go into your sidebar and change it to no sidebar at all, and then what you need to do is to just hit update. Now if you will go ahead and you will click view page, you will see that your cart page will be in a full width cart, and this is how it's looking. Similarly, if you go into the proceed to checkout page, right here you can see that our checkout page is also getting the sidebar, and we do not want the sidebar. So what you will do is that you will go to the edit page over here, and right here where it says the sidebar, just select this to no sidebar and then just hit update. Now the reason why the sidebar is coming is because we have applied a sidebar to our WooCommerce pages, but since we only want the sidebar to be applying on the shop page only, not on every page. Similarly, on the my account page, if you go ahead, you also get to see the sidebar. And what you can do is that you can click edit page, and now in the sidebar you can go ahead and you can set this to no sidebar, and now you can go ahead and you can hit update. And there we go. Now our every page that we have in here, whether it's a my account page or whether it's like a cart page or the checkout page, they now do not contain the sidebar at all. So that means that now we are fully done. Now from the next video, I will show you how you can go ahead and how you can design your home page. So stay tuned and bye-bye.